In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to Constant Contact button. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to constantcontact.com, input right here your email address, and from in there, click on this Get 14 Days Free in order to get a 14-day free trial of their actual account. Now from in there, you should be able to see this. So once you already have an account, proceed to click on this login in order to log into one. Now, here is my dashboard on my constant contact. So typically you can add buttons on email, sign up forms, and anything that you want. For example, I have in here my channels. Let's head over right here into my emails. Just in here the email that you wish to edit. Like for example, let's head over and then edit in here this one. In here, as you can see on this template, we already have some buttons. So in here, we have our Shop Now button. If you wish to add links to this button, proceed to click on this. And then after that, you can see that this button block already have a link. So if you wish to edit it, click on this and click on remove or click on edit. If you already have in here this button, proceed to click on this right here in order to add a link. You can add web page, email, document, landing page, gift card, as well as phone. So for this case, just choose right here which one you want. Input right here the text to display as well as the link URL that you wish to utilize. For example, right here, let's just choose youtube.com. You can also enable click segmentation for this one. Now let's head over and click on insert right there. And as you can see, this actual link has been inserted. You can also change the design of this particular button. You can change its color, the actual color of the button, as well as the actual color of the text that it has. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.